Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing new spark plug wires and new spark plugs in the Miata. I got the new products from MOSS MIATA. I'll put a link in the description below if you guys are trying to purchase the same ones. So currently we have the blue ones that are connected to the coil pack, and these are in a really bad shape. If I try to take one out, you guys can see there's some electrical tape on it and they just don't look very pleasing to the eye. And the spark plugs are also shot, so the coil pack is kind of off of its original position. I believe it's supposed to go here, line up with the screws and stuff, but that's for another day when we take off the valve cover and maybe paint it or do something to it, because it doesn't look very nice. So that we'll do a different day. Today we're just gonna focus on the spark plug wire and the spark plugs. So these are all labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're all different sizes and they all go in different places. It's not in order. I also got the NGK Iridium spark plugs. So what I'm gonna do first is just remove these, and we'll change the spark plugs first. So I'll just put these on the side here. See how bad they are. Due for new ones a long time ago. And the last one. All this gunk on the spark plug, all the oil and everything. Alright guys, so we just took out the old spark plugs. They're super dirty and super worn. I think only this one was okay, but we're gonna be replacing them with new ones which are nice and clean. So we're just gonna put some anti-seize on this, put it on the part that's gonna screw in there, just a little bit. That should be good. Nice. Finished putting in the spark plugs. Now we're gonna install the spark plug wires. So we're gonna do this one by one so we don't mess up. So we'll start with the longest one, which is number 1. So these also come labeled.
Alright, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see the different lengths right there.
So they come with this lubricant that we're supposed to put inside here just a little bit. Should be okay.
So pretty much the blue one pops out.
Yeah, so you just fold it from here and it comes out like that. This is garbage. First, we're gonna plug this in. Perfect. How this goes in. Once we fix the coil pack, they'll sit properly. So when you guys install this, you'll hear, not hear, but you'll feel the little click when it goes on top of the spark plug. There we go. Number 3. So we just finished installing the new spark plug wires and spark plugs. The wires look very nice. Goes nice with the red Miata. So it's coming together slowly but surely. And next time we're gonna fix the coil pack, put it back in its original position, and hopefully I'll get some screws and stuff. I'll see if I can get them from the dealership. Alright guys, so that's it for today. It was a short video, super easy install. I hope you guys are liking the Miata series and following up with it. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and make sure you hit the like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!